This guide will help you remove a card from your ABN AMRO account in a few simple steps. Follow the instructions carefully to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the ABN AMRO website or open the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to card management. Once logged in, look for the card management section in the menu. This is typically found under your account settings or preferences. Step 3. Select the card to remove. In the card management section, you will see a list of your cards. Identify the card you wish to remove and click on it for more options. Step 4. Initiate the removal process. After selecting the card, look for an option that says Remove Card or Delete Card. Click on this option to start the removal process. Step 5. Confirm the removal. You will be prompted to confirm your decision to remove the card. Review any warnings or information provided, then confirm the removal to finalize the process. Once you have completed these steps, the card will be removed from your ABN AMRO account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.